Hi, in this video I'm going to show you guys the basics of making a Bitmoji scene so that you guys can tell us all about yourselves in kind of a fun, different way. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click up here on the Google Slides that were shared with you, and you're going to create a new slide, which I just did. And then you want to get rid of everything on the slide. So you want to take and you want to just delete everything that's there. And then in order to choose the background you want, you're going to go up here to background. You're going to click on it. And then it says choose image. And you can go to Google image search. And you can literally type in anything you want to. I usually type in wall, floor. And it'll come up with tons of different, I did wall floor classroom and I just want wall floor. Tons of different backgrounds, and you can choose whichever type of background that you want to be the background for your scene that you're going to tell us all about yourself. If you're really creative and you want to take a picture of like your own bedroom or something like that, you can do that and then just upload the image. You can upload an image right there. So however you want to do that. And then you just hit done, and that'll put it as your background on here. And then you're going to want to start adding different things to tell me about yourself. Okay, so pictures, cool things that you like to do. If you have a picture of your dog, your cat, anything like that, family members, anything that you want to do. So let me show you how to add images. So all you have to do is you have to go up here where it says insert, image, and then you can either upload from your computer or you can search the web. So I'm going to show you search the web first. And the key to this, to getting images to go correctly on your Bitmoji scene, is just to type the word transparent before whatever it is you put. So say I'm going to put in a couch. I would just put transparent couch. Then I would hit search, and I would get all sorts of options for this, and I can just kind of look through. And when I find one, I'm just going to pull it into my scene. Sometimes it takes a minute, and once I have it in my scene, then I can size it and I can kind of do what I want with it. I can move it around, you know, I can turn it a little bit so it's not perfectly sitting however I want it to be. Okay, you can also right click on this and it'll give you all sorts of other options here. You can rotate it, you can flip it, you can do different things with it. Okay, so you can add, say, transparent, we'll say a picture frame, maybe. Okay, and you'll get all sorts of options here. You can pull one in if you want to. And the cool thing about picture frames or mirrors or windows, anything like this, is you can pull the picture frame in and then say that you have an actual photo that you want to put in the picture frame. You can go to image, and then say we're going to upload something from my computer. Let's see. I'll do this one for now, just to be fast about it. So what I would want to do is, because this is an up and down picture, I would want to flip this like that and get it to be close to the right size as this. And then I'm going to put this over top of it. And I'm just going to right click. And then I'm going to go to order. And I'm going to say send back. Not all the way backward, but just back one. And now my picture is in the frame. That works the same way for windows. You can put a background behind your window and it'll work the same way. Okay. So you can just pick and choose. Okay. You can add a text box. So if I put, say, another one here, and I wanted to put like my favorite quote or something I like, okay, I can put this over here. I can hit text box right here. And I can draw my text. Hi, how are you? Okay, whatever you want to do. You can center it. Okay, and then you've got text on whatever it is that you have over here as well. So you can kind of play with that however you want, and you can just keep adding different things to tell us all about you. When you're ready to actually add your Bitmoji in, which kind of makes it the fun part of this, you're going to, if you don't have a Bitmoji, you're going to have to create a Bitmoji account. So you're going to have to get the Bitmoji app probably on your phone. You won't be able to get the Bitmoji app on a computer, but you'll have to do it on your phone. Grab the Bitmoji app and then create your own Bitmoji. And then once you've done that, you're going to go to Google, and you're just going to type in you're just going to type in Bitmoji extension for Chrome. So type that in, Bitmoji extension for Chrome, which is really easy. It comes up, and then right here it'll say Bitmoji. It'll say like insert from Chrome or add to Chrome. Mine says remove because it's already there. So you'll click on that and it'll add it up here. Okay, and then you will get this little thing right here, which says extensions, and then you can click on Bitmoji, and the Bitmoji app will come up. I think the first time I did it, you had to sign yourself in first, so you may have to sign yourself in with Snapchat or whatever you use to create your Bitmoji. But once you have it, then it'll be in there, and you can just pull out whatever Bitmoji you can type in here, whatever you want it to say. I think I can say high class. And then you just pull your Bitmoji out and you put it in. Okay. So once again, that was just type in Google Chrome extension and then like Bitmoji group, Bitmoji extension for Chrome, and then you'll click on it and have it run, and then it'll pull that up in the corner window right here for you. So enjoy it, okay? Have some fun with it. Like you can also add some shapes and put some color on things. Like if I wanted to put some color in this so it didn't look like just my background, I can put a shape in and I can fill the color of it, and then I can just send it back, and then it gives it some color, play with it a little bit. Okay, so you can add different things, find different things that are going to tell me all about yourself. Remember, in the activity, I want to know your favorite hobbies or interests, your favorite TV show or movie, travel spots that you enjoy going to, your favorite quote, information on your family, and then somewhere on the slide you should also probably put your name. That would be a good thing to have. So here was my example, okay, that I made for you guys, things that I like. So if you have any further questions, feel free to ask on Zoom.